Yeah, Shakira, very happy to explore that a bit more. And I think the question of effectiveness is a complex one because effectiveness is measured in different ways in different settings. So you can think of effectiveness from the evidence of phase 3 clinical trials, and you can think of effectiveness based on what's happened when in the real world administration of the vaccine through the NHS or through other countries' national programs. So the take home message is all 3 vaccines currently available on the COVID-19 vaccination program to the NHS are safe and very effective in terms of drastically reducing the risk of severe illness with COVID-19. So that is the case for the AstraZeneca, for the Pfizer, and for the Moderna vaccine. In terms of, I'm happy to explore this a bit differently or a bit more if Saran would like, or if you would like, Shakira. But the one statistic I want to remind people of is the Delta variant is currently the most dominant variant. We're currently in a third wave of COVID-19 during the summer currently. And the good news is after 2 doses of either the AstraZeneca vaccine or the Pfizer vaccine, your risk of severe illness due to COVID-19 is reduced by more than 90%. And the only reason I can't give you the statistic for Moderna yet is because Moderna is the most recently added vaccine to the program, and we need more time to observe the effects, but it's highly likely that we'll see similar benefits in terms of protecting people against severe illness.
If I may comment on that, Shakira, just to add that the way that science and medicine work in general is that there are standards which are internationally accepted. So you'd have heard about the WHO, the World Health Organization, and a standard that they've put in place is that for a vaccine to be considered for approval or effectiveness, it needs to achieve an effective result above 50% and beyond in terms of clinical trials. And all the vaccines that are currently approved for usage in the UK are way above that benchmark standard. So they are internationally reputable in terms of standardized medical and scientific practices. So I just wanted to put that out there. And I know a big debate that has been going on in ethnic minority communities, for example, is about why can't we achieve immunity through other means, for example, through the taking of vitamin supplements and vitamin-rich diets and so on and so forth. There's no way to standardize that where each individuals will have their own formulation as to what they eat, how much supplements they take, etc. There's no way to standardize that. So we can't effectively prescribe and recommend that approach to say it's a safe way to combat against COVID-19. And also I will say that there is no diet that you can be on or amount of vitamins that you can take that will achieve the rate or the level of effectiveness that the vaccines will confer upon taking them. So I thought I'd put that into the mix as well as we are on the question of effectiveness.